Heart, how big is that chicken in there?
We've got a 5-pound chicken in here, and we've got tons and tons of mac and cheese up top.
Oh, you can do capacity, but what do we have over here?
French fries on the bottom with some chicken nuggets, and up top, a meal for the adults. We've got salmon and asparagus.
Now, a smart way, because now one is done, doesn't start cooking until the other one's ready, so they're done at the same time.
Everything comes hot and ready to the table at the same time.
How about this? How about an opportunity to make sure that the flavors don't transfer? The cookies don't taste like fish and the fish don't taste like cookies. What's that called?
Flavor seal technology.
So Flavor Seal technology, smart cooking features, and massive capacity. Just a few of the things that the 12-in-1 rapid cook convection oven from Ninja can do for you. This price is bonkers. This has been on for $50 more. In fact, that's a today's special value. Only order of the year, we have it. So whether you're downsizing, whether you don't want to heat up your oven, whether you want great convection food, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, this is your way to do it. Come over here, and I'll tell you what you're getting. And we'll take your calls at 1-800-395-1601. If you picked it up already, because it's back in stock for the only order of the year, but it's customer top rated. So people who have it love it. We have it in the black. Only order of the year, by the way. If it sells out today or one of the colors sells out before noon, not coming back for the rest of 2025. Same with the stainless. Now, here's the story on the stainless. The stainless is normally, and you know this, Kanzi, normally an upcharge. Normally it costs more to get the stainless. No, and it's stainless not just on the front. Stainless all around. So stainless is my choice all the way. This is the way to go if you want it. You also get with this everything, like great recipes, the crumb tray, you get the baking sheets, you get not one but two. Why? Because it's a dual oven. Racks, not one but two, because it's a dual oven. And you get the air fryer basket. So what does that mean with the air fryer basket? It means over the next few minutes, we're going to replace a pizza oven. A pizza, you know those pizza ovens that you paid $600 for that we have that need a propane tank that sits in the garage and never gets used? Pizza oven, air fryer, bye-bye, it's your air fryer without heating up your other oven, correct?
Yes, and it'll replace your toaster, it'll replace your toaster oven. This is gonna do it all. It's really gonna earn its place on the countertop. And I know we're saying double oven, you don't have to use both at the same time. So if you are a household of one or two and you just want to cook the chicken, you don't want the mac and cheese as well, that's totally fine. Just use one of the ovens.
I gotta tell you, 1-800-395-1601. Do you use one? Do you use both ovens? When do you do it? This is a clown car because that looked like, where did that small footprint,
I know,
that big old chicken just came out of? And look at that chicken, boy, that looks great.
Look at that, gorgeous.
Now, as we go through the features of the item, make no mistake, it's about the quality of the food.
It is.
So what am I expecting in the quality of the food?
What you're
with
gonna
the Ninja
see
Convection?
with that convection oven on the bottom, you get that beautiful golden brown, and then look at how easy it's slicing like butter because it's juicy on the inside.
Good morning, guys.
Perfect.
Convection oven. Stainless all the way. Stainless, don't wait for my money. Got a big 11 o'clock hour. Stainless is the way to go. That is juicy. That is perfection. And look at the Brussels sprouts underneath it. Now that's just part of what we just made in this small footprint. Right? Never been under $200 before. Look at the mac and cheese.
I know, right out of that top oven, I pulled the mac and cheese and we gave it this gorgeous little broil at the end to get that gorgeous coloring.
Again, that's convection story.
Look at that beautiful coloring. And I'm gonna grab a spoon so we can dive in. They're grabbing one for me. I don't think I have one out here. But you get this beautiful color. That rapid oven on top is gonna cook quickly, okay? It's gonna heat up fast, and then you're ready to go. So you can do two foods at the same time.
Oh yeah.
But you don't have to follow the same temperature. Do two foods, different
How crispy is that?
Look at that.
Look at that. Here come the mac and cheese. So that is a lot of food. So is it too small? Give me a break. I mean, this can feed an army of people, but the great thing is it's such a small footprint and it heats up faster than your oven that it actually is faster and it's small enough for two people as well, or one person cooking for yourself. So that's the capacity story. Big 4-pound chicken, all in one, and you have all the mac and cheese. But now here is what makes this really unique. That sets it apart.
This is what sets it apart, and this is what I do probably at least once a week. I do my salmon on the top with asparagus, okay? This could be salmon, this could be steaks, this could be whatever you want to make.
The Faroe Island salmon from Egg Harbor. Your QVC food is going to be the best it's ever been.
Yes.
So you did that on top, okay?
So we did that on top. Here we have 4 salmon fillets. Would you mind just moving that towel for me?
I will.
There we go. And again, just like you said with the Brussels sprouts before, we've got our veggies too. So we've got the salmon fillets and the veggies on top. A great meal for two.
How much faster did that heat up?
So it's gonna heat up way faster, about 90 seconds to preheat.
To preheat 90 seconds?
And it'll cook 65% faster than your full-size oven.
So my salmon is gonna be done in like 10 minutes, not 20 minutes. So
fast.
Okay, now wait. No, we're not done. Because here comes that smart feature. So you also did something for the kids.
Yes, because the kids aren't gonna eat my salmon, they're not gonna eat my greens, so I made sure that I have them covered with my chicken nuggets and French fries
using the air fryer
basket. 75% less oil than
200
traditional
people shopping already, by the way. Stainless steel is flying.
Hi, everybody.
Here we go. Come on in if you're a fan. We'll put up the customer top rating quotes in a second. Woo! But now, just take a second because I'm slow. The salmon took a different time of cooking. By the way, how crispy is that?
I mean, they're nice and crispy, golden brown. This is going to be air fried perfection.
Look at that, air fried perfection.
But the fries.
Oh my gosh, that crispy. That's unbelievable.
Nice and crispy. I can hear it as you're crunching.
I love those. Guys, this is the crunchiest fries ever. So how did it cook at the same time and finish at the same time?
Great question. So the fries and chicken nuggets are going to be at 400 on air fry for about 30 minutes, okay? Your salmon and asparagus are going to be on bake, and that's going to be closer to 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes. But with our smart finish technology, I want to walk you through how easy this is. So I'm actually going to load it up.
It's called Smart Finish, okay?
Let's show you how easy it is.
All in one with the racks. Okay, go.
We're going to put some cookies on the top and this beautiful fish on the bottom.
Okay, here we go.
So you're gonna program the top first.
Let's come in close.
We're gonna go ahead and change the top to bake. And you can change the temp and the time, okay? Just like your regular oven. So let's do 350 for time, we'll do 15 minutes. And then let's pretend in the bottom, or we actually have something in the bottom. In the bottom, we're gonna air fry and we're gonna do temp 400, so 2 different temperatures. And for time, let's do that for about 20 minutes. Now, I'm gonna push Smart Finish, and when I click Start, the top is actually gonna hold cooking until the bottom has the same amount of time left.
Are you kidding me? Mm-hmm. So I got it. You program the top one of what you wanted it to do, and the temperature and the time of cooking.
Yes.
You did the same thing with the bottom.
Yep.
Temperature, type of cooking, air fry it, boom. And then put Smart Feature.
Yep.
So it will hold off on one, so that they're both going to be done at the same time.
Exactly.
Okay, that is amazing. That can be done, and that was simple to do.
So easy, so easy. We keep it really easy, top and bottom.
Now, here's a question.
Yeah.
Will the salmon taste like the cookies? That's the one question that people might have.
That is a good question, and I figure we could give it a try because I've got it here, but with Flavor Seal technology.
Flavor Seal.
We've got the top oven here doing our cookies completely separate from the bottom oven.
By the way, a little trick. Do you see what just happened?
Do you see that little door trick?
So if you want to just open the top, you push that button, just the top opens up. When you pull it all down, you got it all. Okay, great. Cookies.
I mean, these smell like cinnamon sugar, right? They smell delicious. Do you smell salmon?
They smell like cinnamon sugar. They do not smell like salmon. I don't want salmon cookies.
And then down below, we've got our fish. And when I open the full door, you can start to smell that fish. But we're not going to have any flavor or smell cross-contamination.
This is really, really cool. How does it do that? How does it keep the flavor locked in like that?
We actually added a seal. So there is a seal involved to keep those two things separate. That's going to keep the cooking separate. And Rick, I'm not just saying this is an oven that does 2 different things. I'm actually telling you're getting 2 ovens. There's different heating elements in each.
Here, wait.
There you go. Look at all that food.
Here we go. Here we go. Call me if you're a fan. So I just want to dive in. Can I dive into that?
Yeah, please do.
Okay,
Try
I want
that
everybody
cookie.
to see.
Let me know if it tastes like fish.
Look at how crunchy that is on top. That, by the way, why? That is convection cooking. That's that circle of heat. And look at the salmon inside. So that I got it, you got it, you got it. There it is. There's the fish.
Beautiful fish.
Beautiful fish, guys. You got it. You're there.
Crispy on the outside, but that perfect flaking on the inside.
And now here comes the cookie. And the cookie, by the way, is crisp as well, but it's moist on the inside. So there you go. The tale of 2 dishes done at the same time, and
look at that.
Both completely different. That's home run. Cookies don't taste like the fish don't taste like the cookies. Great product. Come on over here, and I'll let you know what's going on. So if you want the black, you can get the black. They're both the same price. Have you ever seen, now by the way, Kenzie works for Ninja. Kenzie develops the items with the Ninja team. right? Not just
I
the pretty face supermodel coming. You make this happen.
No, I literally am in the test kitchen with the engineers all day.
Have you ever seen this for under $200 before?
No, I was surprised.
It's a big story here. Only order of the year in the black, but here we go. Here we go. Drum roll, stainless. Kenzie, stainless. Look at that stainless.
Look at that.
I mean, look at that. That's just beautiful. All the racks store inside. All the racks store inside. You're getting the all the instructions. Great stuff online when it comes to different recipe ideas
Oh,
on
tons
YouTube.
of recipe ideas.
You're getting a double oven recipe guide, and you're getting the crumb tray. You're getting the pans. You're getting the racks, and you're getting the air fry basket. All stored, free shipping, partridge in a pear tree. Price goes away at the end of our day. Here come those quotes. The quotes are amazing. It's customer top rated, and people are not liking, they're loving K93875, and all of them paid more.
Yeah.
So here comes Evie. Evie, love the size and the convenience. I actually cook more than I ever did in the large oven. Huge time saver, cooking larger meals for holidays and gatherings. Great story. So great for here comes Easter, right? But I have a feeling that Christmas is going to come back again as well, right?
It happens every year, I think.
It happens every year. Funny how that happens. Love how the oven helps with cooking and takes up less space than I would buy again. I would buy again. Thank you so much. Here we go. Here come the functions. It's a 12-in-1.
It is.
Take me through this.
So on the top, you have your rapid oven. That does your broil, your toast, your bagel, your bake, your reheat, your keep warm. That's going to act like your toaster oven, if you will, okay? Then on the bottom, you have the ability to whole roast, air fry, convection bake, pizza, and dehydrate. This is going to work like an air fryer or a convection oven. It's got air circulating. There's 2 different heating elements, so you're actually getting 2 ovens. This isn't just one box with one heating element. This is 2 distinct different ovens, enabling you to do so much more. And if you want it all to finish at the same time, it'll do that too.
This is a pizza oven as well. You can make it, how much, 12-inch pizza?
Yeah, 12-inch pizza.
12-inch pizza. By the way, it can go up against the wall, right? So it's a small footprint. This is not a massive appliance. It's a small footprint that does a lot. It's 2 ovens in the size of one like microwave.
And it's just over 13 inches tall, so it will fit on your countertop under your cabinets as well.
Okay, great. Free shipping. Come on in if you're a fan. 300 people are shopping in the moment. Only order of the year, and the lowest price we found by far.
So on the top, I did carrots. We were just talking about entertaining. You know, we've got the spring holidays, Easter coming up. What if in the top you did your sides, but in the bottom you did your full ham? This looks beautiful.
Boy, that's a massive ham.
Yeah, so on the top we did our side, and then down below,
look at that ham.
We've got this beautiful, they're really testing my strength. Okay, but I have been working out, so I've got the arm muscles to carry this giant ham. It is huge, Rick.
Yeah.
Look at that, bone in, gorgeous, okay?
So any kind of big Rastelli ham or the Kansas City hams that we love, or the Corky's ham, I mean, this is it.
Gorgeous.
This is your opportunity, and all of that convection cooking means that circle of heat, right? Means it's going to be crispy on the outside, and let's just find out what's on the inside. I think we need a bigger knife, guys.
I know, I've got a little paring knife
got
here.
Got a big knife? A big carving knife?
This looks absolutely gorgeous.
Wow, here we go.
Check this out. Beautiful
That
here.
is amazing. Okay, 93875. Opportunity knocks for you to pick this up right now, and you still haven't done everything that you can put in the oven.
Haven't even cracked the limits of what is possible. I'm gonna go ahead and switch here and pull out, thank you so much, pull out those carrots, because we also did the veggies, okay? I want you to think about if you're entertaining, maybe you're Big Bird, maybe you're doing an even bigger ham, okay, that won't fit in the bottom. Maybe you're doing a huge turkey, okay, this Easter.
Yeah.
In the a double oven, in the Ninja double oven, think about doing all of your sides. How many times, Rick, does someone stop by and they say, oh, I brought the, appetizers, or I brought dessert, but it just needs to go in the oven. Do you have some space?
Look at that.
No, I never have space in the oven,
well,
but now you do. You got an extra oven.
You got an extra oven.
You got 2 extra ovens.
By the way, that is a moist, fantastic looking ham. The fish looked fantastic. The salmon looked great. The chicken is juicy. The mac and cheese was done to perfection. Better food. Now, different kinds of food, all done at the same time for the best price that we've ever offered. So a big story here for from Ninja. Here's a little product feature call out that kind of gives you an essence of what this is, because there's a lot going on with our today's special value. Check this out.
Yes, this is the Ninja Double Oven. It is 2 ovens in 1. You're getting the rapid oven up top and the convection oven down below. They're going to cook quickly. They're going